Hello. Okay. Hello. Hello. This is the My Artifact episode number 2874. Today's date is 23 September 2023. It's almost like a night at 9:44 p.m. Okay. So what exactly happened today? Today I uploaded a video successfully. Yeah. Okay. Video is became really good. Okay. Car for sale simulator the project video is done. There is nothing really need to talk today. It's just like kind of like something really typical day that nothing really happened that much. Right. So we just directly jump to the questions. Okay, let's go. Okay. So question is, do we spend enough time together? All right. I'm gonna tell you is that what is at least this question. So this question is literally romantic question. Okay, like basically this question is supposed to ask to your girlfriend or boyfriend. Okay, for like bonding between uh, to increase the bonding between each other, to increase or enhance or whatever it is. Okay, so questions are typically romantic, very romantic. Okay, this section of this question na, is very romantic. All right. So this question says that ki, can we like do we like let me what is it? Do we spend enough time together? Do we spend enough time together? Okay, so basically is that ki when the both the person are actually in relationship, so they are actually spending time together. So what is exactly spending time together in this world? This the meaning of this word is kind of like a something really different. Before, okay, before the mobile and everything, spending time together means like that ki when they are together, actually they are together and they are spending time, like they are doing something, or like they went to the trekking, they went to the watching movie, or they are like a, I don't know, but they are kind of like a activity, are doing something called, okay, then like a spending time together. Okay, but right now in this world, spending time together is kind of like something really different than we thought it is. Okay, like we have internet, we have mobile phone, so we can actually connect to the people very easily. Okay, and we can disconnect people even more easily too. So usually as a when the two, when a boy and girl are get in contact and they have in relationship, mostly most of the time they spend time together on their phone. Because of that, it was, they didn't really have any privilege um, to do spend time each other. Why? Because of that na कि it was kind of like a something really that कि जब आप किसी से प्यार करते हो ना, तब like when you are love with each other, at the beginning you are literally scared of that कि how should we talk, what should we not talk, वगैरह वगैरह. Okay, but when we have a medium, a kind of like a medium that something really connect and disconnect quickly, okay, like internet or mobile. So we are using that medium even more than natural medium. Okay, what do you mean by that? Okay, from my point of perspective, spending time together means like that ki when you are actually together and spend time together, actually like both the people are actually, I'm not talking about both the people are in phone, or both the people on the FaceTime or Snapchat or something like that, WhatsApp video call. No, it's not. Okay, between two of them, if there is a screen, or if there is a kind of like a something really unimaginary medium, then this is not really work out. Okay, usually uh, when we think that the person that is really important to you, and that person will be till the end of your life, it is really important and really essential to spend time together. And I'm not talking about spending time on mobile phone or spending time with call. No, I'm talking about spending time actually with each other. That makes the bond between even more stronger. Because of that ना कि like प्यार करना, प्यार जताना, प्यार, like whatever it is, okay, the way of the language of the love is kind of like something really different in every era. Okay, but one important thing that I'm kind of like telling you will be a constant in every era is that every era or everything is that कि like आप किसी से प्यार करते हो ना, आप उनके साथ वक्त बिताओ. Okay, that is the most enough time. Okay, yeah, there is a, some sort of consequences. Okay, might be your partner is went to somewhere else, or maybe he was living at other city and you are living in other city. Yeah, that is also good. Having a communication between you and her, you and them is also good. Yeah, I'm not kind of like something that, yeah, I'm kind of like against, but whenever you have a time, you just have to spend time together. Okay, that is more essential thing to do, because in the end of the life, after you getting married, you have to spend time and actually spend time together. Okay, and most of the time if you are interact with your mobile phone and things like that, then the like basically क्या होता है कि I'm giving you two example. First example is that कि couple 1, couple 2. Couple 1 are actually are interact with each other. Okay, before the wedding. Okay, before the wedding, before almost like they are dating for almost like entire year, and they are moving together, and then after that, after a year, they are getting married, and then the life is goes on. Okay, and then another couple who is actually dated on the mobile phone, long distance relationship, vagara vagara. They meet once in a month or maybe twice in a month, then after that nothing. Okay, then it is kind of like a something really like a, the people who are doing long distance, or people are doing kind of like a meeting once in a month, it is kind of like a very difficult to them to, they will get married in the future. Like it's a very big question, it's a big very if. Okay, so it is really essential to be spend time enough together in actual. Okay, yeah, let's another question. What do you think is romantic? uh well, romantic, what exactly is this thing? Well, I'm thinking is that na he, like some people says he is very romantic, or he is very like romantic means like that he like what is exactly the romantic? Okay, like what exactly is this emotion? What is exactly, I just wanted to explain this thing ki what is exactly. Okay, I'm gonna explain this thing with a kind of like a something really example. All right, so uh चलो मान लेते हैं कि like a two couple, sorry, one couple, there is a boy and girl is actually driving a car. Okay, they reach to the destination, and then after that, boy get out his car, then he open the car door for her. Okay, it's a kind of like a something really small gesture, but it's kind of like a something really romantic. Okay, uh, when both the people are walking, it's a winter, the boy is actually putting the coat and wrap around her. That is a kind of like a something like romantic gesture. Okay, something that ki like a girl is actually taking a bite of ice cream from um, taking bite from ice cream from boy is also kind of like something romantic gesture. So usually romantic is not just a, like a romantic is a emotion, okay, and basically these emotions are actually expressed by some of the actions, okay, like आप जिससे प्यार करते हो उसके साथ अच्छा बर्ताव करो वगैरह वगैरह, okay. So yeah, so is this romantic? Yeah, is this romantic? But I'm gonna tell you ना कि those are the thing are very temporary. ऐसे चीज़ों को नहीं कि आप temporary के लिए like is this thing is just for a temporary. It's not kind of like a something really long term. Why? Because of that ना कि आप like basically ना from my perspective किसी से प्यार करना like if you are care to someone that means you are love with that person, okay. I'm talking about the every person. Like basically is that the mother is care you because that she loves you. Okay. So is this thing आप किसी इंसान की केयर करते हो so आप उससे प्यार करते हो. This is the only way that you have to be show your romanticness till the end of the life. क्योंकि like basically ना हर बार आप ऐसे gesture नहीं दिखा सकते. Every time you have to be get up and open the door for her or something, bring up, wrap up the coat around her वगैरह वगैरह. ऐसे gesture ना धीरे धीरे कम होते जाते because it's kind of like a something really temporary. The important thing is that कि जब आप किसी इंसान से प्यार करते हो you have to be take care of her, okay, when it is really hard time. I'm gonna give you a one kind of like something really example, okay. Is this romantic or I don't know, but it's something really that very heart touching. When my mother is has an operation and she won't be able to walk, she won't be able to do that, okay. So basically my father has to do everything, like basically lagvi sandas वगैरह वगैरह. So my father entire lifted her on her hand, and just like the it's kind of like a, from the visual perspective it doesn't look that cool, it doesn't look that right, it look really worse, but from the emotional point of view it is a very kind of like a caring perspective. It's a so much very perspective. Like basically ना आप किसी इंसान की मदद करते हो एक ऐसी मुसीबत में जहाँ पे कोई आपको लाइक बेसिकली ना एक बेसिक इंसान की बेसिक चीज़ें होती है कि हगना मुतना वगैरह. अगर आप ये भी चीज़ नहीं कर पाते हो for some sort of consequences and आपका आपका जो एक ऐसा इंसान है जो आपको ऐसी चीज़ करने में आपको मदद कर रहा है लाइक हगने मूतने में, ओके. तो it's a kind of like something really a very big thing, okay, क्योंकि that person understand that कि what is the value of that person, okay. उस वक्त आई डोंट नो, उस वक्त शायद रोमांटिक है, आई डोंट नो, बट एट दैट टाइम इट्स अ केयर, ओके. और उस वक्त नहीं का द वैल्यू ऑफ दैट पर्सन इज इंक्रीज इवन मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर दैन दैट, बहुत ही ज़्यादा. लाइक बेसिकली अगर आप किसी लड़की के लिए गाड़ी का दरवाज़ा खोल रहे हो तो 10 पॉइंट लगे, लेकिन अगर आप उस लड़की का एक्सीडेंट होने के बाद आप उस लड़की के हगने मुतने का द थिंग्स दैट यू डू, the point you will get almost like 1,000 point. Yeah, it is okay. So usually from the perspective of the romantic is that you have to be care for that particular person. So my uh, meaning of romantic is that ki you have to be take care of her, and the life is actually always a challenge, okay. Life is put you on challenge on every mood, every scenario. It's a very difficult, okay. So you just have to support each other वगैरह वगैरह all those things, okay. Sometime boy needs help as a girl needs help, so yeah, it. So this is the romantic. How do you feel about public proposal? Well, public proposal, uh, is it kind of like a something really that ki uh, yeah, public I don't know, dude. Okay, it's a kind of like a thing that ki, yeah, I'm okay with this thing. Okay, like basically is that ki, uh public proposal. Yeah, okay, yeah, like at that moment, but still na, uh it's a for you. Okay, okay, it's a kind of like a your opinion, it's a my opinion na. Okay, so do you like to be like a, अगर मान लेते कि एक लड़की, if you are, एक लड़की जिसको तुम like she has a really big crush on you, and she's she propose you on publicly, do you agree on that or वगैरह वगैरह, like basically just imagine a scenario in between kind of like a something really people, like basically वो लोग कौन होंगे? Okay, like I don't want to be get proposed in from like in kind of like something random people that I didn't really know. Okay, like basically अगर ऐसे लोग हैं जहाँ पे मेरे दोस्त फैमिली वगैरह सारे लोग हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली वहाँ पे like I don't really mind that, क्योंकि उस वक्त most of the people that I know is kind of like something really relative, kind of like a relate, I know those person. ओके, बट किसी रैंडम स्ट्रेंजर ऐसे रास्ते पे खड़े होकर वगैरह, इट्स रियली नॉट ओके, क्योंकि वहाँ पे एम्बैरसिंग सिचुएशन ही हो सकता है, इट्स नॉट दैट कूल. ओके, when it happened with the friend, when it happened with the relatives, when it happened with the people that we know, then things will be something really even more better. Yeah, definitely. uh do you wish I was more uh affectionate, affectionate, affectionate? I just wanted to understand this thing. Copy, Google Translate, paste, हिंदी. क्या आप चाहते हो कि मैं अधिक स्नेही हूँ, स्नेही होता, स्नेही, अफेक्शनेट, स्नेही. स्नेही मीन्स लाइक दैट ना, कि like polite. Okay, from the from like क्या आप चाहते हो कि मैं, like do you wish I was more polite or something like that, स्नेही, kind of like something really a good person. Okay, basically this question is actually belongs to the two person. Okay, so I won't be able to give this answer. Okay, because like that, why I'm not giving this answer properly, because of that na कि like मान लेते the affectionate, polite or good person, like from my point of perspective I am a good person. Okay, from another point of perspective might be I'm not good person. Why because of that ना, कि usually हमें खुद को एक तरह से एक अच्छा ही इंसान समझते हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल थिंक्स दैट कि लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ पीपल थिंक्स दैट कि हाँ मैं एक अच्छा इंसान हूँ वगैरह वगैरह. ओके, बट फ्रॉम द अनदर पीपल परस्पेक्टिव थिंग्स आर समथिंग रियली डिफरेंट. या ये चीज़ें काफ़ी अलग होती है. लाइक आप सोचते हो ना कि लाइक लाइक मुझ में कोई गलती नहीं है, बट अनदर पीपल कैन सीन योर फॉल्ट, सीन योर समथिंग दैट कि यू आर डूइंग समथिंग रियली रॉन्ग. वो लोग दिख सकते हैं, उनको दिखता है, आपको नहीं दिखता, क्योंकि आप हमेशा अपने अच्छाई में दिखते हो. देन यू आर स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट कि हाँ मुझ में क्या गलतियाँ हैं, देन यू फाइंड आउट दोज थिंग्स. Okay, but most of the time na you didn't really found those kind of like a mistake, the things that other people can found those mistake or found those fault in you. So usually okay, agar if I say that ki I am a polite, so yeah I'm a polite, yeah I'm a polite, I am a polite, I'm a good person, I'm this, I'm that वगैरह वगैरह. But from another people perspective, that another people might be no, then that person can understand you better, that understand and find out that कि हाँ तेरे में ये गलती है, ये गलती है. That person can tell you everything. Usually I don't really have that another person, so I won't be able to give a proper answer into it. All right, next question. What's the best relationship advice you ever given? Relationship advice. Uh, like I didn't really give any kind of like relationship advice, dude. Yeah, in the entire artifact episode you are giving a relationship advice. What is actually the good, like one of the best relationship advice? uh like if you wanted to give yourself one of the uh, best advice, usually is that ki same thing, okay, is that ki I didn't really like I never really like I never really have a relationship, okay. I never really connect with any other women or any other. I didn't really have kind of like a girlfriend, never really have it, okay. I am 30, still still I haven't really, I didn't really have any person, okay. So usually I won't be able to give a proper answer because of that na ki advice came from the experience, okay. And I didn't really have a kind of like something really experience, but still the whatever the things that I saw in my surrounding, in movies वगैरह वगैरह, in reality वगैरह वगैरह, इन सारी चीज़ों को देख के then I found out something that कि रिलेशनशिप प्यार वगैरह लाइक दिस इज़ द काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ जर्नी, ओके। लाइक ये एक ऐसी चीज़ होती ना कि लाइक आप सोचते हो कि लाइक इट हैज़ टू बी परफेक्ट, बट इट इज़ नॉट, ओके। लाइक आप सोचते हो कि मैं जिससे प्यार करता हूँ वो परफेक्ट होनी चाहिए, वो कभी भी परफेक्ट नहीं होती। इवन इफ यू मैरी काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली ब्यूटीफुल पर्सन इन द एंटायर वर्ल्ड, योर रिलेशनशिप विल बी वर्स, ओके। क्योंकि कोई भी इंसान द बॉन्ड बिटवीन यू इज नेवर बीन परफेक्ट, कभी भी परफेक्ट होता नहीं फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग, नेवर। इट टेक्स टाइम, इट हैज़ टू बी नरिश, उसको वक्त देना पड़ता है, टाइम देना पड़ता है। यू जस्ट हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड ईच अदर, थोड़ा थोड़ा डिटेल, थोड़ा थोड़ी चीज़ें, जानकारी, एक्सपीरियंस अबाउट ईच अदर, नो अबाउट ईच अदर। लाइक बेसिकली ना रिलेशनशिप प्यार इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ जर्नी, and you have to be nourished uh, by your action, by your everything, the whatever the effort that you took, both the way, okay. Not only one person but two person, both the person is actually giving proper effort to making that relationship even more strong. That makes the people even more strong, that makes the relationship last long, from my point of perspective maybe, okay। क्योंकि सेम थिंग लाइक बेसिकली ना रिलेशनशिप वगैरह वगैरह ये सारी चीज़ें हो ना लाइफ के एक तरह से लाइक अचीविंग गोल और अचीविंग समथिंग, इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग लाइक दैट, ओके। आप कभी भी परफेक्ट होते नहीं हो, आपको परफेक्ट बनना पड़ता है, आपको चीज़ों को टाइम देना पड़ता है, अंडरस्टैंड करना पड़ता है वगैरह वगैरह, ओके। सो यस, या सो दिस इज माइट बी अ काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ गुड एडवाइस, ऑलराइट। some people says that na कि women are always right वगैरह वगैरह, so I don't know dude यार, वो like some people like from the joke point of perspective, हाँ चलो ठीक है, आप एक दूसरे की you are teasing about each other वगैरह वगैरह, हाँ ठीक है, okay, but in the reality dude, or in the serious note, yeah, this is kind of like a teasing or all those things is also kind of like a is a part of bond between each other, क्योंकि कभी कभी आप दोनों के बीच में कभी चीज़ें होती नहीं है कुछ बातें करने के लिए, so you have to tease, okay, you have to tease, okay। So when you tease that, another person get mad, and then it's a kind of like a something really sweet mad, it's not a kind of like a something really aggressive mad, it's a sweet mad, okay, sweet mad you are. So yeah, it work, okay, it sometimes works, right? All right, next question. Uh, do you receive? Do you like receiving flower? If not, what random gift would you love to receive? All right. चलो मान लेते हैं कि is this question is actually belongs to me. Okay, वो belongs to me. Is this question is actually someone is actually asked that कि what is that you need? Okay, as a flower, or like basically is that as a flower or something else? What is that you want from another person? Uh, like this is actually na this is kind of like a something really different from couple to couple, region to region, and person to person too, okay। यूजुअली क्या होता है ना कि लड़की को फ्लावर चॉकलेट वगैरह पसंद है तो एज अ बॉय कैन ब्रिंग दैट चॉकलेट और फ्लावर वगैरह वगैरह. ओके, बट यूजुअली द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इन दैट कि जब भी आप एक दूसरे से मिलते हो, सो यूजुअली आप दोनों के बीच में आ, जो चीज़ होती है, जो आप दूसरों को एक दूसरे को एक तरह से लाइक अट्रैक्ट करती है, लाइक बेसिकली चलो मान लेते हैं कि द बॉय वेंट टू द अनदर सिटी एंड ही केम आफ्टर 2 weeks, ओके, टू सी हिज गर्लफ्रेंड. तो यूजुअली द बॉय इज़ रियली एक्साइटेड टू सी हिज गर्लफ्रेंड, अ गर्लफ्रेंड इज़ रियली एक्साइटेड टू हिज बॉयफ्रेंड. ओके, तो उस वक्त like will you bring a flower or will you bring a chocolate, it added some sort of value to the connection on that time, but usually was not that necessary. Okay, important क्या होता है कि आप दोनों के बीच में जो एक्साइटमेंट बिटवीन ईच अदर हैज़ टू बी गुड. ओके, कभी कभी छोटे छोटे गिफ्ट इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली गुड. ओके, बट नॉट द एवरी टाइम. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट कि आप किसी लड़की से मिल रहे हो like tomorrow, day after tomorrow, say every time you have to bring a gift on things like that. तो वहाँ पे वो गिफ्ट का नहीं, क्या जो वैल्यू है ना, द वैल्यू ऑफ द गिफ्ट बिकेम रियली लेस. इट इज़ रियली एसेंशियल दैट ना कि जब भी आप उस लड़की को गिफ्ट दे रहे हो तो दैट सिचुएशन हैज़ टू बी काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली बिग. ओके, not a big, but yeah, it has to be big. Okay, so like what exactly is this thing? So like my sometimes na my father bring, sometimes na I don't know, but suddenly my father bring a gajra to my mother. Okay, he just randomly he just bring this gajra to my mother, and my mother is really happy after she's a gajra, and she wears a gajra till that every flower of that gajra went black or like dye, but like she likes the way that कि छोटा सा गजरा, 5 रुपए का गजरा was really good. Okay, it's a kind of like a something really small gift. Okay, so gift is not has to be kind of like a something really standard. Gift is not supposed to be kind of like a, the gift it's supposed to be kind of like a something really emotional and happier between each other. Okay, तो वो कोई भी चीज़ हो सकती है. लाइक यू जस्ट हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, यू डोंट हैव टू आस्क दैट कि विच गिफ्ट डू यू लाइक. अगर आप उस इंसान से पूछ रहे हो कि आपको कौन सी चीज़ पसंद है जो मैं आपको गिफ्ट दूँ, फ्लावर चॉकलेट वगैरह वगैरह, तो इट्स नॉट ओके. लाइक यू हैव टू गेस ना. ओके, आपको गेस करना पड़ता है एज अ बॉय. लाइक यूजुअली गर्ल कभी गिफ्ट देती नहीं है, लाइक शी कैन गिव गिफ्ट, बट एज अ लाइक फर्स्टली एज अ बॉय हैज़ अ काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली नेसेसरी एक्ट टू डू इन दिस थिंग. एट द बिगिनिंग एज अ बॉय has to carry some sort of gift. Okay, एक रोज़ या एक some sort of एक flower, not just one flower, 5 रुपए का एक छोटा सा फूल मिल जाता है. Okay, that is really good. Okay, या chocolate is also good, but I am guessing that कि एक छोटा सा flower होता है ना, क्योंकि चॉकलेट ने खाते हो ख़त्म हो जाता है. The value of that chocolate is end after you eat, but a flower, एक छोटा सा flower, it remind that moment for like जब तक वो flower है तब तक तो, and flower won't be die that much easily. Usually वो करीब हफ्ता भर तो चल ही जाएगा. Okay, and when that person is really attached to that moment and really attached to that person, that flower will not be end till the, तो usually flower बहुत बड़ा नहीं, बहुत छोटा सा flower, but वो cute भी होना चाहिए. It's not that much kind of like something really big. It's a very small and cute. Okay, just kind of like something really small gesture to her. So I really nice, I like हर एक as I mentioned that कि this thing is actually different from people to people, person to person, and region to region too. Okay, like some people carry, I don't know, okay, there are so many type of gift, I don't know. But yeah, you have to carry a gift, but it is not supposed to be kind of like a something really big, because it is very difficult to carry. It is supposed to be a small and cute, that's it. All right, not a teddy bear, dude. Teddy bear is like way worse. Okay, and usually teddy bear तो बड़े ही होते हैं. Okay, so you just have to bring a teddy bear as a gift. That is a way more pathetic and everyone tries it and usually लड़कियों को टेडी बियर पसंद आता है but not that much. Yeah, teddy bear is just like it's a very old fashioned way. Alright. Yeah. But when I met a girl or if I wanted to give a gift something, I will carry one flower, just a one flower, one of the beautiful flower, maybe rose, maybe whatever it is. Okay, yeah. Next question. Uh, do you like celebrating a birthday? Uh, I don't like to celebrate my birthday. हाँ, but as also ना like basically is that कि usually birthday आपका कोई होता नहीं है. Like just an example is that there is a one thing that you own but you can't use in your entire life, and what is that? Is your name. आपका नाम होता है like my name is Saurabh Bothre. Maybe you are using this thing maybe once in a week, like किसी को आप बता रहे हो, but usually most of the time other people are use your name. दूसरे लोग आपका नाम इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Same thing goes with the birthday. Usually birthday is not for you. Birthday is kind of like for them. क्योंकि उन लोगों का एक तरह से फेस्टिवल होता है कि आज मेरे दोस्त का बर्थडे है या आज मेरे लाइक बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड का बर्थडे है. सो फॉर देम इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली एक्साइटिंग डे फॉर देम. यू आर एक्साइटिंग और नॉट इज अप टू यू. अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है आपका बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करना तो या ओके, इफ़ यू आर नॉट ओके, बट यूजुअली the value of that day is has to be from them. Okay, तो लाइक बेसिकली अगर आप खुद के लिए वो आपका बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट नहीं करना चाहते हो, नो ओके, डोंट डू दैट. ओके, बट if the other person is really excited, other person is bring a kind of like a gift, or some other person is arrange a party, or other person bring a cake, okay, so obviously you have to be like you have to be engaged with that party, you have to engage with that thing. हाँ चलो ठीक है, this is my birthday, even if I don't like it, yeah, I will celebrate this thing. Okay, so yeah, at the but yeah, this question is belongs to me. Do you like celebrating my birthday? So usually अगर मैं अकेला होता हूँ तो it's a kind of like another day in office. Okay, but जब दोस्त है और like तो हाँ, birthday is meant for other people and they are actually excited about this day, so yes, so am I. Okay, it is kind of like it added a kind of like something really a reason to meet, reason to celebrate वगैरह वगैरह. So yeah, it is good, it is great too. Okay, next question. What does your ideal birthday celebration look like? I didn't really like my birthday, so usually I never really think about my ideal birthday celebration. No, whatever the things happen on that day, that is okay, that is fine. Even if my birthday is not even celebrated, usually मेरा birthday celebrate नहीं हुआ, I just fine. Okay, like I don't really like the birthday that much even. ऑलराइट, हाँ, बट आई लाइक टू सेलिब्रेट अदर्स बर्थडे. अगर मेरे दोस्त का बर्थडे या इसका बर्थडे तो हाँ, मैं लाइक कुछ भी करूँगा. लाइक दिस इज एक्चुअली काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली हैप्पीएस्ट डे, नॉट फॉर देम, फॉर अस, बिकॉज लाइक लोगों को कैरी करना एंड देन यू ब्रिंग सम सॉर्ट ऑफ पीपल एंड देन लेट ट्राई टू ब्रिंग अ केक और नॉट बी जो कुछ भी हो. ओके, छोटा सा केक लेके, हाँ. सो do I make you feel hard? What is hard? Do I make feel hard? Okay, from wrong perspective mindset, that the meaning of hard is like hard. Okay, but this question says that it's a romantic question, na? So you have to give answer very romantically. Okay, so it says that he do I make you feel hard? Do I make you feel hard? Okay, I didn't really get it that. Okay, maybe I understand this thing or maybe not, बट आई जस्ट वांटेड टू मेक श्योर दैट कि एम आई अंडरस्टैंड, बिकॉज इस हार्ड कमिंग शायद कुछ अलग ही हो सकता है. सो क्या मैं आपको सुना हुआ महसूस करता हूँ? लाइक इन हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन ना इवन मोर डिफिकल्ट. अभी सुना हुआ महसूस करता, व्हाट इज द फक इज दिस मीन? ओके, I didn't really get it that hard word. Do I make you feel hard? I don't know. Like गलत perspective वाला ही mindset दिमाग में आ रहा है and I'm thinking about that way. But uh, I just don't want to give answer. Okay, क्योंकि वो गलत ही perspective आ रहा है मेरे दिमाग में. Okay, और right perspective क्या है मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Hard का meaning क्या है? Alright. If you could go on a date anywhere in the world, where would you pick and what would we do, or what would, okay, so kind of like something really like basically it's not a date. Okay, if you if you say if you go to a date, okay, uh, and which date, okay, date ना, okay, चलो मान लेते कि date, okay. Okay, so what is exactly date? Okay, let me explain to you a date. So date is that कि when boy and girl meet at some sort of location, and that location kind of like a little bit fancy, maybe a hotel, maybe small cafe, whatever it is. Okay, but if you know each other, you have a bond between each other is really lot. Okay, and you want a kind of like a something really a fancy date. Okay, that date that could not be forget. Usually डेट का मीनिंग काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली सिमिलर ही होता है. ओके, यूजुअली कि हम एक कैफ़े में जाएंगे, ये खाएंगे, वो खाएंगे, वगैरह वगैरह, एंड दैट्स इट. ओके, डेट इज़ ओवर. सो यूजुअली इट्स नॉट अ डेट, इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली डिनर और लंच, वट एवर इट इज़. ओके, यूजुअली लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग ना. ओके, डेट क्या होता है ना. ओके, द फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन अ बॉय एंड गर्ल मीट एट सम सॉर्ट ऑफ लोकेशन, ओके, सम सॉर्ट ऑफ कैफ़े वगैरह वगैरह, तो वो जो इंटरेक्शन बिटवीन होता है ना, वो होता है डेट. दैट इज़ अ फर्स्ट डेट. वो एक्चुअली डेट होता है कि उस वक्त यू डोंट नो अदर पर्सन, दैट अदर पर्सन डोंट नो यू एज ऑल्सो. You just wanted to crack out some sort of a joke or some sort of conversation, and she is also doing it that. Both have intention to talk to each other, but somehow at some certain way you won't be able to do that because you don't know each other that well, but you are attracted to each other a lot. वो इमोशन और वो चीज़ों से लाइक देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ इमोशन एट दैट टाइम, देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स एट दैट टाइम, चीज़ें बहुत सारी होती है. तब आप फोकस नहीं कर पाते हो. यू वोंट बी फोकस दैट कि व्हाट इज़ इन द मेन्यू, व्हाट शुड आई ईट, व्हाट शुड आई नॉट ईट. यूजुअली फर्स्ट डेट में आप कॉफ़ी या समथिंग दैट कि whatever it is, you ate something really small, but usually the main focus on the first date is that you just have to communicate. ओके, कभी कभी तो किसी की फर्स्ट डेट भी सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो पाती है बिकॉज इट वॉज काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली वेरी ऑकवर्ड सिचुएशन एट दैट टाइम. दैट इज़ अ डेट, क्योंकि उस वक्त आप एक दूसरे को जानने की कोशिश करते हो. ओके, और एंड देयर इज अनदर वन इज दैट कि देन अ मैरिड पर्सन और मे बी kind of like the couple who is actually dated for entire year, and usually they are planning to go to the Paris for kind of like something really make their date little bit fancy. So like what does they do? Okay, उन्होंने क्या किया, like they know each other a lot because they are dating for entire year, they know everything about each other. They went to Paris. Okay, they went to find fancy restaurant, they eat of kind of like something really fancy dish on that restaurant. ओके, यूजुअली हैड अ डिनर, घर आ गए, सेक्स किया, ख़त्म हो गया. ओके, यूजुअली लाइक इट्स नथिंग रियली. हाँ, उनको याद ये रहेगा कि दे वेंट टू द पैरिस एंड दे डिड दिस एंड दैट, बट यूजुअली the requirement for the saying that कि this is a date, this is not a date, this is kind of like something really dinner between the two people who is actually love each other, and that's it. ओके, डेट उसे कहते हैं ना जब फर्स्ट डेट, सेकेंड डेट, यूजुअली आप उस कंफर्ट लेवल क्रॉस करने से पहले जब आप एक दूसरे से मिलते हो पर्सनली, फिजिकली, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड डेट. वो कहाँ भी हो सकता है. एक टपरी के चाय वाले के कोने में, या स्कूल के एक like like basically it's just like a it's just a small gathering. Okay, so that is a moment that the person that never will forget. So that is exactly a date. Okay, from my opinion, what would be a kind of like a something really a date that you wanted to do? Usually is that na कि I also believe that date is meant to be kind of like a before you cross the comfort zone. तो वहाँ पे आप जिस तरह से एक दूसरे से बात करते हो जो वगैरह वगैरह, तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड डेट. कंफर्ट होने के बाद फिर like it's kind of like a something really went somewhere and eat something and that's it. It's not supposed to be a date. It just kind of like had a dinner or had a lunch. Okay, but if you wanted to spend something really a fancy thing, but what would you, where would you? uh Not specifically, yeah, like basically is that ki, I went to Paris, I wanted to go to Paris, not for just a date. Okay, I just wanted to experience the entire Paris. I wanted to go to the Eiffel Tower, I wanted to do this, I want to do that, I want to do that, do that, lots of things. It is not supposed to be just a date, it's supposed to be a trip. Okay, that have to, both the people have to do lots of things. Okay, एंड यूजुअली डेट के लिए मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा कोई फैंसी थिंग तो है नहीं, बट स्टिल, ओके, स्टिल if you like a person, okay, and you wanted to talk to that person kind of like something really as a professional way, so you bring that person to a date. In so what is exactly the protocol that you do? I will invite that particular person to the CCD, coffee cafe day, CCD. Okay, usually CCD is actually for the डेट. ओके, दिस कैफ़े इज़ मेंट फॉर द डेट. यूजुअली वहाँ पे लोग डेट, यानी यूजुअली डेट वहीं से स्टार्ट होता है. जस्ट यू हैड अ कॉफ़ी, दैट्स इट. ओके, so I will bring that particular person, like even if I get a CCD or not, like I bring that person to a certain cafeteria, and like as a male you have to lead. So I am a male, so I have to lead not only the conversation but as also the flow of conversation, as also I just have to prepare the everything, dude. मुझे क्या करना है, क्या बोलना है. I also have think the every possible way that she could answer, और उस आंसर के बाद मुझे क्या कहना है. So I just have to remind all those things, dude. इतना like it is really essential, क्योंकि क्या होता है ना कि like if I wanted to make that date something really good, it is not supposed to be awkward. And awkward came from the silence, and silence came when you don't really have kind of like any subject to talk. So you have to prepare that ki you should have always a subject to talk. Okay, so as a boy, and basically लड़की कभी prepare नहीं होती है. Okay, as a boy you have to do that. हाँ, अगर that लड़की, that another person is really kind of like enthusiastic on you, and she is also really open, she is also really good communicator, then हाँ, the date will go both the way, क्योंकि वो भी lead करेगी, हाँ तुम भी lead करोगे, and things goes really well. Okay, but most of the time at the first time usually लड़की shy होती है, she won't be talk that much, so usually a boy has to be lead. So as a me, I have to think about all the possible result, I have to think about every subject and go on. Okay, so yeah, this way. Okay, so I'm talking about 43-minute non-stop. Yeah, I'm telling you na, sometimes some of the questions are really interesting, then I just keep going and keep going. All right, so this is then, should we end? Yeah, we have to end. Okay, also there are a lot of questions, dude. It's a romantic relationship, it's a lot of questions. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is it. Thank you.